greedy little bird. One day a greedy bird went to the queen bird and told her about some black
Carts.
cards. She said it is
Unsafe.
unsafe to go there as any bird may get hit by the
Wheels.
wheels. The queen bird
Told
told the others one to go there.
the others not to.
The others not to go there.
The greedy bird
The greedy bird always went to alone. One day it got hit.
it get
It get hit by the wheels of the cart and lay
injured.
when he did to return. The other bird looked for him and
Found
found him poorly
poorly
hurt on the village
road.
road. The queen said to bird and safe place
Suffer
suffer because of its
greed.
greed. Moral
A greedy,
a greedy and selfish person always
surprise.
surprise.